update. Let's take a look at ETH over here. We do see that it's holding up very well. You see how many times we've interacted with this level in the past. Okay, we've interacted with it 3 times in 2021. Okay, a couple times in 2022 as support and resistance, and major resistance twice in 2023. Used it as support at the start of the year before having our local top here. We have our WXY correction down to the, let me see here, 100-week moving average. Okay, right over here. I'll make this thicker so you guys can see. You guys see that? How we just wick down there, and now on this, and then on the weekly time frame we have a bullish pin bar. You guys see this? You see how the wick is elongated to the downside? So the fact that we've interacted with this level many times in the past, coming down to back test this accumulation range that we had here at the start of 2022, or sorry, in August, September 2022, and at the start of 2023, this was all accumulation. This was our bullish ascending triangle. And whenever you have a bullish ascending triangle in the market, and then you have your breakout, coming down to back test it as support would be ideal before you can have a healthy continuation to the upside. And we did just that. You know, a lot of people said that, a lot of people thought that this back test over here at the start of the year was sufficient enough, but I think we would need I think it would have been better if we came down to back test it and we have hard support over here. Right now, this is what we have, right? Because we kind of back tested it here, but it wasn't a good back test. It wasn't really strong. So we just went up one more time, came down, and now we have that bullish pin bar here on the weekly. So wouldn't surprise me we go up from here. And CPI is coming in today, so that'll definitely have an impact on the price. Taking a look here on the 12-hour time frame, we do see that it is still trending up. Okay. Using this previous resistance here as support. Let's take a look here at this chart. And I want to show you guys this chart here. Crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. And we'll make this chart black so you guys can see everything. Let me see here. Okay, so this is TOTAL2. This is a bullish descending broadening wedge. And as you can see, this is our 4th time coming down to extremes. And what I notice in markets is that if you have 3 shakeouts, by the time you hit the 4th one, people have just given up. So it's usually 4th time's a charm. Okay, so going forward, what bulls would want to see is a move back above this region over here, sitting at 979 for confirmation of our phase E, or to be more specific, a move above the 70.2% fib to 786. You see this region over here? You see this level? Right over here. As soon as we get above this level on the daily, very bullish. And then we can confirm our phase E. Because if we take a look at the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, we do see that all we're doing is just coming down to back test this accumulation range. Here, let me delete this here so you guys can see. You guys see this? How we're just coming down to back test this accumulation range, and now we're going to go up. into phase E of Wyckoff accumulation, schematic number 2. And you can actually stay within, like I was saying in yesterday's video, you can actually stay within this backtest region for a very long time. You guys see this? During this, so what happens in the market is when you have your sign of strength phase come in and there's a ton of euphoria, when it comes down to backtest the upper boundary of this Wyckoff range, it really shakes up investors, and a lot of people exit the market because they think that this was the top and it's all over with. But during this period in time is what really tests a lot of patience of many investors, because they don't understand that this was just a back test of this accumulation range that the composite operator has been using to make their trades. Okay, so the composite operator, also known as the hidden hand, is in charge of all of these prices over here. Okay, and this price action. So we're just coming down to backtest this range for our backup phase. Lasted a little bit over 4 months. Okay, a little bit over half a year almost. Let me see. Right here. 150 days now. Yeah, so a little bit over 4 or 5 months. So yeah, lots of accumulation here within this bullish descending broadening wedge. And we also came down to the 61.8% fib, which is very significant. If you take a fib from this low over here in the beginning of the year up to the high in March, so the beginning of 2023 up to this high in March, we do see that it has come down to the 61.8% fib. And that would be on the linear scale. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to stay updated, then click the link in the description below. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.